Students, if you have a pea plant which is producing yellow seeds like shown in the figure, by looking at the pea plant, can you determine its genotype? Is it possible? No, because it could have a genotype either capital Y or capital Y small y. Whereas in recessive phenotype or trait, for example, a pea plant which is producing green seeds, these are always a result of homozygous genotype, that is small y, and there can be no other genotype for recessive traits. So you cannot have capital Y, small y. But for dominant phenotype or trait, for example, a plant producing yellow seeds, this can be a result of either homozygous genotype, that is capital Y, or heterozygous genotype, capital Y, small y. Yellow seeds, for example, can be produced by a plant of the genotype capital Y or by a plant of the genotype capital Y, small y. Therefore, if I have a pea plant producing yellow seeds, how will I know if it is homozygous or heterozygous genotype? This can be achieved by a test cross. It is done when the pea plant with the unknown genotype is crossed with a recessive plant. So let us consider the plant which is unknown to us, which is producing yellow seeds, is in homozygous condition. Let us put its gametes in the Punnett square. So the method is to use a test cross, where you have to cross this plant with a recessive plant. So let us put the gametes of the recessive plant. Therefore, the progeny that are formed from this combination could be capital Y small y, capital Y small y, capital Y small y, and again capital Y small y. In this cross we see that all the progeny are producing yellow seeds. So, in a test cross, if we get progeny, all of which produce the dominant trait, that is the yellow seeds, we know that the unknown plant is in homozygous condition. That is, it carries genotype capital Y. Now what if the plant, the unknown plant, is in heterozygous condition? We put its gametes in the Punnett square, and the method is to use test cross, where we cross it with a recessive plant. So we put the recessive gametes. The combination of the progeny is as follows: capital Y small y, capital Y small y, small y, and small y. So if the unknown plant is in heterozygous condition, 50% of its progeny through this test cross will be producing yellow seeds, and 50% of its progeny will be producing green seeds. If this is what we get as results, 50% progeny producing yellow seeds and 50% progeny producing green seeds, then the genotype of our unknown plant will definitely be heterozygous, that is capital Y, small y. Thank you, students.